Hello, I'm Dr. Gareth Moore and I'm a puzzle and brain training author. But in this video, I'm not going to be solving puzzles, I'm going to be solving advent calendars.
Ooh.
These in particular, along with...
Laura, that's me. Hi guys.
Right, so let's have a look. Should we start with the cookies?
Let's start with the cookies.
Okay, so the missing cookies.
Spooky
And when I say
cookies.
solving advent calendars, yes, probably zoom out. When I say solving advent calendars, what I mean is solving these puzzle-based advent calendars that reveal chocolate behind a hidden door. Well, the doors are not hidden. You don't know which one to open until you solve the puzzle.
Cryptic.
So yesterday we discovered that Theo, who looks quite quizzical...
He looks kind of suspicious, actually.
For his fingerprint.
Yeah.
Found this for you. It is only a partial print, but I'm sure you can work it out.
I'm sure.
They all write in quite note-based form, don't they?
They do, but they're busy and they're being accused of things that they may not have committed, so... Anyway.
So whose fingerprint is this?
Whose is it?
I mean,
There is a partial fingerprint on the back.
Cartoon elves, so I mean, have they got fingerprints? Partial thing on the back?
On the back of the calendar, there's a little slot for a fingerprint.
Oh, is there?
Well, I think so, maybe. Right.
All right, so we've got these 5 fingerprints on the back of the calendar.
4.
No, there's 5.
No, we've got this
Louis, Corey,
Ooh.
Jack.
I would have said Corey.
Okay, Corey, Kane, and Jacob.
Jacob.
In fact, okay, so the ones down the bottom are more incomplete. So let's start by having a slightly closer look at these. So we think we're trying to identify someone's fingerprint, thumbprint, or whatever.
I'm looking at this like sort of Y shape here and seeing if we can find a Y shape. And yeah, they are really...
They are small, aren't they?
They are small.
I actually think it's easier to look at the camera.
They are, so it is easier to look at the camera. Hello.
I would say this is quite broken across here, so we're not in this area here. And it's very dense and then it gets narrower. So if it would have to be an area where it gets denser and narrower, and that would have to be here, and it's quite broken. I think it's not likely to be this one.
I'm trying to find my Y shape.
Okay, let's go on to the next one.
Okay.
We can come back.
This is
And then we've
hard.
got this very incomplete one.
Yeah.
Now, it could be that. If so, it's quite harsh. But...
I can't see anything that looks... It would have to look different to that, I think. I don't think it's that.
Then we've got Jack the carpenter. Now, if it was up here, this is quite fragmented on the right, isn't it?
Yeah, there's not enough sort of curve, this curvy business
Right.
that's also dark there. So I think maybe not that.
So we've got Corey the baker. This looks more like plausible. Does it? So it sort of twists here, it sort of twists here, then twists over to the right, doesn't it? As it comes across. Is there like a Y area here? You were looking for this Y here, right?
I was looking for that Y. I'm trying to work out where this wall
So that Y is in white. So we're looking for a white Y. There is a white Y here.
It's not quite a Y.
Oh.
Why? Why a Y?
There's like a little
This is hard.
little knobby bit here.
We're using all the technical terms here, by the way. I hope you're enjoying that. Okay. What
So
about the last one?
I feel that it would have to be this way around, actually. With that
Yeah, that's
one.
what I was just thinking. It looks like...
So, where does it get thinner? Is there any bits where it starts to get thinner? Because here it starts to...
No.
Okay, let's look at the other one now. Yeah, it does get thinner from the top up, perhaps.
There's more going on in this one. I think it is this one. Oh, there's the Y. You can't see it on camera, but it is in real life.
I can't see it in real life at all.
It's there. Gosh,
Oh,
this
God,
is
that-
so difficult.
can't zoom
I don't think we
anymore.
can.
Oh, I
we
can.
can. Have you got anything incredible? Oh, look.
Where are we looking?
So should I try and point at it? Hang on. This is so small and fiddly, but the Y, this Y here, I believe, is this Y here. Yes, that is that.
Okay.
Promise.
Oh, yeah, and then that notch above it, slightly above it, too.
So, and we've got this. Hang on.
How big my finger is by comparison?
And we've got this bit here.
Yeah, it's definitely the same one.
This bit here. That is really hard to see.
I'm glad you were here.
We've
to
got the
work that
benefit
out.
of Zoom.
Yeah, I'm glad you were here to work that out.
You're welcome anytime, Gareth.
So, that, by the way, you can see my hand for comparison size.
That is that's like an actual fingerprint.
It's an
almost.
actual thumbprint size, yeah.
Wow.
My
Okay.
thumb is bigger than that.
Okay.
Right, so it says
So it's
Louis, the umpire.
Louis the umpire.
He's not out.
He's very much in. We haven't opened his door. There he is.
He looks like a referee to me.
He does. Well, yeah.
And there
Same
we go.
kind of vibe.
Our
There it
day
is.
22 chocolate.
22! Getting close.
Yes.
Getting close to fun. What are we going to reveal?
Okay, well, I guess let's have a look at the other calendar for today.
There it is.
Santa's Workshop.
Santa's Workshop. This one makes me feel warmer and fuzzier inside, I think. Okay.
And yesterday we discovered that our chocolate was in.
Inspect. Yes, it was an anagram.
Dun.
I've got short-term memory problems in terms of I always forget from day to day.
Oh, I don't
what's
remember these
happened.
things.
Oh,
yeah,
good then.
No.
Oh, it looks like a word puzzle. I love word puzzles. Oh, look, my antenna.
Oh, you're
Exciting.
wobbling antenna, yeah. Hey, no, I haven't seen your hat. I was in the middle of finding our missing item.
Were you indeed? You're in the middle.
He's an inspect. Oh, in the middle. Interesting.
In the middle. Shall we fill in?
We'll find in the middle letter.
Station using a desk lamp. Oh, great! So we're going to have to use...
Identify which picture on the thing.
Yeah.
So station using the fan, station using the desk lamp, etc.
Okay.
Shall we do them in order?
Let's
read them all.
Okay.
Desk lamp, fan, origami, paints, and an elf who likes the news. Well, I know the one who likes the news.
Oh, the news,
He's up
yes.
here. He is assemble.
Assemble.
I just want to write this in. Avengers. We say that at the same time.
We did, Gareth. We spend so much time together, guys. Okay, cool.
And then paints is...
Station with paints is this one here. Colour.
Oh, yeah.
Colour. Station with origami. Is that what it says?
Yeah.
Is it wrap?
No.
It's got to be 4 letters long.
Ah, that helps.
It does help, doesn't it? Are you sure it's not wrap?
No, I'm not sure it's not wrap, but there's no origami in the picture.
No, that's true. Are there any other 4-letter ones?
Yeah, I mean, there were.
Yeah. Oh, fold, maybe? Just
fold.
Up and fold.
Fold may have had origami.
Is he doing origami in it? Let's put fold in tentatively.
I don't see any origami. It may have been origami
hang on, there
originally.
is. There's a little paper crane up here.
Oh, right, okay.
Lovely.
Station with... We're doing this nicely in backwards, I think.
I think so. It's worked out quite
station
well.
using a fan.
Oh, this fella.
Oh, yeah, he's got a fan and a hairdryer.
But what is that? Let me turn these off and I'll point you in the right direction.
He was dry.
Dry,
I think.
must be.
And then station using a desk lamp. Surprised there's only one. How do they see in the dark?
Well, perhaps they've got overhead lights.
Maybe they have overhead lights, yeah. It's not much of a mystery, is it? A desk lamp.
That's that puzzle solved. Desk
what a mystery it was.
lamp. Where are we?
See, he's got overhead lights in.
Yes, he does, yeah.
So we're looking for a 5-letter one with a desk lamp.
Desk lamp.
Sounds a bit like descant. No, it doesn't really. Here, he's got a desk lamp.
Label. Excellent.
And what does it say down the centre, as you pointed out? The clue probably meant. Broom.
Broom. Hooray!
Okay, because the clue was...
Yes, it said...
I was in the middle of finding our missing item.
Smashing.
So who's got a broom? Has Fix got a broom?
Hasn't got a broom.
Has Dispatch got a broom?
We haven't got many doors
Shake
left.
got a broom. No, we're getting close to Christmas. Glitter has got a broom.
Glitter's got a broom. Should we open it and
Yes,
check?
so we should expect to see a 22.
So festive.
If I can get my thumb under there. There we go.
There we go. Destroying the calendar one door at a time.
And indeed, a 22.
Hooray! How lovely. There it is.
There it is. Another chocolate for the pile.
Hooray! Seamless.
There we go. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you solved that yourself, let us know how you got on. If you just watched along with us, also let us know how you got on.
And welcome.
Either way, let us know. Comment, like, subscribe if you haven't yet. That would be great too. Much appreciated.
The greatest hits.
Yes, absolutely. Well, do please join us tomorrow when we shall open, well, we've already opened, when we shall solve, hopefully, the puzzles inside those doors. But until then, or another video you choose to watch, all that remains is for me to say goodbye.
And for me to say goodbye.
Take care, bye.